have a new tool added to the collection. Now the tile that we've got here is 1800 by 900. It's a big piece, and my cutters are not suitable. So I've purchased this Raimondi Razor Plus. The Plus works from 3mm to 15mm. It comes with a kit, as a kit with a breaker. I'll open it up and show you. But yeah, this is Raimondi make a good product. So I'm interested to see how well this works. This is the cutter they will use on large format tile. So lovely, it's got a handle. That out. It's nice. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, with large format, you're going to need a bigger tool collection, or an upgraded tool collection. So here is the braking device. So it just clamps down and it will snap the tile once it's scored. What we've got in there. So that's the scoring arm that will connect to the rail, and that looks like a spare. Oh no, that's the handle. That's the handle for it that goes on top. So that will click into the frame of the rail, and then that's the scoring wheel there. So yeah, the plus does from 3mm to 15mm tile thickness, and then they do the same version. I think the difference is it's just a different scoring wheel. So, but yeah, all the usual paperwork. Right, I think I'm going to need to put the two together just to get to the end of the tile. However, I won't need the full length of that. But let's get rid of this, let's keep that out. So these rails have got built-in suction cups, 3 on each one, and it's just literally lock it over, job done. And that's on. So I need to connect these two anyway, and to cut this tile, it's pretty straightforward. That clicks in now. Just remove that. Okay. And that's that. That's them two secured together. And let's undo this. I believe that will go on this side. Quite ain't worked out how that goes, but I think it goes on from the end. Yeah. That's it, that's on now. And that just rides over. So once you've worked out your distance, obviously you line that scribe tool with your line, obviously. And the other good thing about this is if you're running cuts and they're slightly out, at the ceiling or to the floor, you can get it bang on accurate to your measurement. Sometimes you find with the tile cutter you're always a mil one way, or you leave a little bit more on, or you can never get those rake cuts bang on perfect with large format tiles. It's hard to hold them and scribe them at the same time. But this tool is going to give you precise cuts, and that's essentially what you want. But just as a guide, that's where I want to go, straight through the middle. Lock that off, lock that off, lock that off. That's it. Alright, that rail is now secure, so that when I do come to create my scribe, it isn't going to move. And yeah, I'm impressed so far. The quality of it, the ease of it, it's nice, very nice. And that's the Raimondi razor. Put that on. Get a nice Allen key to that. That'll drop through the top. That's the cover for it. Lovely. Beautiful. Very nice. And then just to release, it just undoes itself. I thought there was something odd with that. Now I've got another breaker similar to this. In fact, I'm going to just see how this goes. That marks the centre of the tile, so that's got to be up high, which goes on from the top and goes into the bottom of that. So that will mark the centre of the tile, that drops in there. And I believe that then locks back in there. So then now, once you've scribed your cut, you lock this on and you add a bit of tension, go one end, hear it till it cracks a little bit, go to the other end, same thing. Now I have got the other Raimondi snapper, which is here, which is the same thing, and it will probably work the same way. Again, this is for large format tile as well, but it will break up to bigger tile as well. So this is the more heavy duty one. This is the one that comes in the kit. So I'll probably stick to what I know and use this. But yeah, it's always handy to have. But that's the Raimondi cutter, the Raimondi razor. There we are. You'll see it in action soon.